Welcome to the final leg of our Disney journey. We are checking out of the hotel room, which I've just remembered I haven't done a tour yet, so I need to do a tour. It's only quick, it's not big. And then we're going to get in the car, drive through France to Calais, Eurotunnel into England, up to Yorkshire and home. I'm going to take you with us to show you the tolls, the services, the stops, the food, and how easy it is to do, because we did it for the first... Thanks, dude. We did it for the first time this time and it was so easy. So we need to get unpacked. We went and did the magic hour this morning. It's now 10:15, so we need to get out by 11 o'clock in the car and on the way home. We are off, saying goodbye
You wave
to
bye,
the
Naz.
hotel.
Say bye, hotel.
Bye, hotel.
Wave bye-bye.
What?
Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're on the right side of the road, which is the wrong side, but is the right side here.
It feels so wrong.
And we're going to head to a Lidl for a little bit of breakfast and a McDonald's that we stopped at. We stopped at the McDonald's and the little supermarket thing there for some snacks. And then we're going to get driving up to Calais, which we're going to get there very early. So we're going to go for a little mooch around and then hopefully get on an earlier shuttle. Because it'd be nice not to go home at midnight tonight, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Is the plan. So this is our little spot we found. It's about 5 minutes from the park. It's got little supermarket as well as a Lidl. It's got a McDonald's and it's got a fuel station where we filled up. So it has got kind of everything you need on your doorstep. I don't know how to describe that.
Don't do the drive-through.
We just tried to order hash browns in a drive-through without being able to speak French, and it didn't go very well. Turns out they don't have hash browns, and it was already the dinner menu. Because in the UK it's before 11. Breakfast menu, I guess in France it's probably like 10 or half 10. So yeah, completely our fault because we can't speak French. And that is done. We have picked up a couple of croissants from the supermarket that we can eat, or me and Noah can eat at least. We'll find you something along the way. And it is saying it's 3 hours and 10 minutes from here to Calais, and that is all the way to the Eurotunnel. So hopefully we can bomb down a couple hours, have a stop, and be there for just gone 2 o'clock. So if we stop anywhere along the way, we'll let you know. But it's nice and easy route, we'll be fine. First toll booth of the journey on the A26. First and
I have a
only
ticket
proper
and
Green Arrow.
Yeah, but also for ticket.
I don't know Green Arrow.
Oh god, it's me again.
There's you again. Look, British car. They know what they're doing.
I think I handled that better.
You did good there, well done.
What happened for me?
Mummy got the ticket for the toll booth, which means we can go on the motorway.
And off we go.
We've just made a quick rest stop. We're an hour in. And this is, it's not a service station, but this is why I've decided I love driving in France. Because, use this bin. This is where we stopped. It's just a little tiny parking area. Toilets are there. There's all truck stop down there, picnic bench, there's a bin, parking spaces, middle of nowhere. Motorway's just over there, but you can hear the traffic, but it's you're not really there. It's just a perfect little spot, just have a minute, have a wander. 1 hour down, 2 hours to go, on to Calais. Thank you, and rent the tolls. I want a cash one, which I think is these two. No, they can't, there's cash.
Which one's his car?
The pound notes and the coins. I wish you the very best of luck.
Thanks.
Chasing after you, and it gave me a much better idea. Get me back
Stop.
€25, 10 cents. The same as what it was on the way down. And we've got about, what, half an hour to go?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's going to give me loads of changing, isn't it?
Yeah, let's go find a supermarket. And we've made it to a Carrefour. Gonna go in, do a little supermarket shop, and then probably head to the tunnel.
Yeah.
We are about 4 hours early than what we need to be, so we're hoping to get on an early one, but there's no point hanging around. We're ready to go, so we'll take you with us and see what happens. And one supermarket trip later, we've got a couple of Kinder bars. I got myself some apple cake slices because that is my favourite.
Disappointing.
Yeah, it wasn't quite as amazing though. I don't remember going to this one.
I don't remember going to Carrefour. It's Leclerc.
Yeah.
Oh, that one with an E.
There's an Ocean. I think that's an A, not an E.
An E.
I think that's Leclerc.
Was it?
Possibly.
Blue.
Yeah, I think that's Leclerc. But we're going to drive on to the Eurotunnel and hopefully get a Eurotunnel about 4 hours earlier than we should be doing. And if your next clip of us, well, after all the little clips of us going through the Eurotunnel bit is us being very sad, that's because we've been told we've got to sit and wait for like 4 hours.
10 hours.
So, we'll see you on the other side.
What is this when it's at home?
This looks like the right way to go. Oh, that just took you around the same way.
Silly boy. When we've got through this bit, you can.
We've got to go talk to the people.
Ticket. British ticket. British ticket.
British ticket.
There's also a British ticket there.
Yeah, but this one actually. Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Let's go to that one. And then I can do the talking as well.
Ah, I see why they've done that.
Okay. We made it. We're in. It cost us £65. Someone's getting tickled. It was £20 to amend our train and £45 to change it to this one.
100% worth it.
So worth it because they were offering us a 6:30 and instead we've got a 3:30. So we've got half an hour to nip into the terminal, get a bit of food and then get on the
Are you going to
train.
be carried on?
We've just been sent through. The board still said 8 minutes, but a lady was going around telling people with U5, which is our letter and number, to go aboard now. So we're going to go and hopefully get through border control nice and easy and get on a train.
Off.
Yeah.
And we are off.
Let's go find
The train.
the train and get ourselves home.
Oh, it took a bit of time, that.
It did. What is it? 5 to 3?
Yeah, got half an hour yet before we set off.
Yeah. Hopefully though, it means not waiting in the next bit too long.
Get me on the earlier one.
Are parked up and waiting for these lights to go green and us to go get on the tunnel. And again, I am so happy we've got an earlier train, which means we'll be home at like 7 o'clock. So we'll take you onto the tunnel, we'll show you how to get parked up, and then we'll call this one a day. Let's go!
What's that noise?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go get on the train. Follow the green arrows. What are we going to be on this time? Double decker? Big one? Up, down?
Q.
Ha!
Absolute joke. What are we doing here? Come on, Brian.
Powerless to stop me.
Thank you, Brian. We're going up again, I think.
It's a double decker.
Woohoo! Sounds linked to space.
Doesn't feel like the way we're supposed to be doing it.
No, I mean like down here.
Oh, right.
I think we're going to be the front of this one, aren't we?
Laser blaster.
That's alright. Might squeeze in there to be fair. Highly doubt it though. My spatial analysis is not good.
We are off. It is almost 4 o'clock, so this one was a little bit delayed. However, I was just reminding Rachel here that it's not 8:30, so we're ahead of schedule.
I reckon
Train is
10
going.
minutes before the stops, we should get home for about time we're supposed to be setting off.
Well, we're going to get there about 3:30. Yeah, well, we'll be almost
I
home.
don't like the waddle snug
The Wazzle Snug!
in the subway.
Oh
I
no.
don't want
Should we skip that one then?
Imagining puzzle
Okay.
sets all
No,
over
I
the place.
wanna-
Yeah, me.
You want to watch it? Go on then, you watch it.
See you in the UK.
Goodbye. We are almost off the train. We are back half an hour later. Easy. It was very hot on this train though. I had to on the way out. Didn't put our windows down far enough. Very sweaty.
You gonna give me a photo? I'll put there.